Slicing for sandwiches and canning for winter need two completely different tomatoes, and picking the wrong one means a watery sauce or a bland slice. Here's exactly which variety does which job. Better Boy is a reliable, all-purpose choice, huge, delicious red fruit, many a full pound each, with excellent disease resistance, ready in about 72 days. Cherokee Purple is an indeterminate heirloom with 10 to 12 ounce dark rose purple fruit, a pleasantly sweet and rich flavor, and real drought tolerance, ready in about 80 days. Want to branch out? Abraham Lincoln is one of America's highest yielding tomatoes, and Green Zebra brings a bright, acidic flavor in a striped green-yellow fruit on a compact determinate plant. Roma Long is the traditional sauce and ketchup tomato, plum-shaped, with few seeds, growing on determinate vines, and it's a heavy yielder, ready in about 76 days. The Roma Pompeii hybrid loads up early with heavy harvests of meaty, rich-flavored plum tomatoes, good for fresh eating or sauce. And if canning is specifically your goal, the Italian Roma heirloom variety is noted as a go-to for that exact purpose. Slicing for sandwiches? Better Boy or Cherokee Purple? Canning for winter? Roma Long is the classic choice. Pick based on what's actually going to end up on your plate.